Hey everybody! My name is Diane and this is EWA app channel. And today I'm gonna share with you 10 blended words which native speakers use in their daily speech. So, if you're interested in this, just keep on watching. So, blended words. Basically, these are two words which combine into the third one, which takes the best of the both worlds. For example, Lewis Carroll called it portmanteau.
What?
But, you know, we're normal people and we call it blended words. And now I'm gonna show you how to do it in real life. So, let's talk about the word frenemy. So, okay, fine. Basically, all of us have this kind of a friend. You know him for decades, he's so good to your mom and blah, blah, blah. But last night, this son of a bitch broke your car. And so he becomes your enemy. And so frenemy is the mix of friend and enemy. Frenemy.
Grandma and I frenemies.
Frenemies with Frenefits? Super friends with Wonder Pets?
The next one is hangry.
You're a little hangry, Claire.
Do you know what does that mean? What's the mix? I can tell you for sure. So when you're so hungry that you don't know what to do and where to go.
I'm hungry!
And there is no food around you. You're so alone. You become so angry. And this word just shows you the level of your angriness and hungriness and all. So you are hangry.
Hungry and angry? You're hangry, Claire.
Turducken. What a word. It is made of three actually. Turkey, chicken, and duck. Turducken.
Seafood turducken.
And this is a Thanksgiving dish, which is turkey stuffed with the duck, stuffed with the chicken. I wonder who eats that? If you do, God bless. Another word is chillax. This is my favorite one because it combines the words to chill and relax. Chillax, guys.
Hey, bro, come in and chillax.
Chillax, Pam.
So the next one is ginormous. It's something so large that standard English word just cannot handle it.
So big!
So we take two big words, gigantic and enormous, and we get ginormous.
They're ginormous!
We're about to jump on that ginormous spaceship.
The next one is brunch.
Now, who wants brunch?
It's a late meal, like you have instead of breakfast and lunch, or you can have it all together, like breakfast, brunch, and lunch. I won't tell anyone. But use the word brunch because it's portmanteau.
You will be buying me brunch.
The next one is glamping.
Glamping, not camping.
And it's the mix of the words glamour and camping. So you ask yourself, what is it? And I'm gonna tell you. It's a more comfortable and luxurious way to have your tent not in the mountains, but somewhere placed closer to the city. So it's glamping.
Glamping is glamour camping.
Fugly. Well, I think you know what it is because we're messing up with the words fuck and ugly. And I guess you know the meaning because sometimes ugly is just not enough to express all the feelings you have about the object, so you just have to say it. It's fugly.
Do not trust her. She is a fugly slut.
The next one is bromance. It's the mixture of words brothers and romance. And as far as you can understand, it describes the highest level of relationships between the two guys without being gay.
It's a bromance, Turk. You can't fight it.
It's bromance. So the last word of the day is emoticon. Emoticon. This is a mixture of the words emotion and icon. And these are the emotions typed using simple keyboard keys. So if you remember, we used it back in the 90s some days, and now it's replaced with emojis, but back in the time, it was just keyboard keys and us.
And what's that?
It's an emoticon.
So this is emoticon. So yeah, that's it. That's what I wanted to tell you about blended words today. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like and subscribe. If you want to add something to my list, just leave the comment down below. If you need more awesome content, download EWA app and find it there. I leave the link down below in the info box. And thank you for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.